What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video in regard to the Tesla Model Y Juniper or Refresh. Today though, we have a special sponsored video from EVBASE with some of their new performance aero caps that they just released. Thanks for you guys for sending this over to us, but let's go ahead and talk about some of the details here. If you're not familiar with EVBASE, they have a ton of accessories out there. They've been around for a long time. They have great quality and great price products. Make sure to use that affiliate link up down below to pick up a pair of these. They're for multiple different vehicles and have a ton of accessories, even if you don't have the Model Y. Let's jump into it. So first thing I want to talk about are the stock wheel covers that do come on the new Model Y. As you can see here, I actually think they look pretty good, honestly. I don't think they're terrible by any means. However, if you are a fan of the new design for the performance wheels, these are going to be something you're going to want to take a look at. What's really cool is just how easy it is to pop these new fan blade looking designs off and put the new ones on from EVBASE, like I said, that we have right here. So let's talk about how you're going to do that right now. So while not quite as easy as some of the past designs, all you really need to do here is get your fingers wedged in on one of the blades and simply pop back. And you're going to want to do this all around the actual design of the blades to make sure you don't break one. And you want to be careful because you can definitely see as you start pulling them, there is a chance to pop these off and snap them really easily, which would not be a good thing. So as you can see, we have all these off, and all that's left is to pop the center cap. Similar concept, you want to try to get as close as you can to the center, and that just pops right off. So not that difficult, and you can actually see what the stock rims look like right here once you do so. Now let's take a look at what EVBASE's offering has. All right, so once you take them out of the box, you will be greeted with what looks, in my personal opinion, like a much cleaner design. And you're simply going to line it up with the air valve and then just pop it back into place. You will have a different center cap as well that you have the option to customize for red, white, black, just depending on the look you want. But this is more in line with what all of the old ones look like. It's a single piece that simply just lines up and just snaps right over all of the rest. So again, it's going to be as simple as lining it up and getting them right into place. And you can hear just how well that snaps in. Now, again, for a first look, what do you guys think of this design over the actual stock one? I think it gives it a much more aggressive look. I think it looks pretty clean. Let me zoom out so you guys can see both in one shot. What's your guys' thoughts on the look? Comment down below, let me know your preference. Which of these two do you like better? And then, like I said, also, let's get that center cap on. So as you can see, I just put on the actual piece of the wheel cover. That comes in the bags here. And they just simply have a little double-sided tape that you stick right in there. You can actually leave it clean without the Tesla logo and those colorways that we were talking about. I actually like it like this. I'm gonna leave it just like that. And then similar to how we put it on, it is very easy to pull off. You just wanna get a good grip around every side, and you can hear it pop right back off, and you can interchange these as you please. So there's your first look at the EVBASE performance wheel caps. So between the two designs, which one do you guys like better? The ones from EVBASE or the stock ones from Tesla that looks like a turbine blade? I think both look good, but if you want something a little bit more edgy, you definitely can't go wrong with these. Again, those links will be down below. Thanks for sending these out to us for review, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.